Hey guys, I'm from Blackpool Honda here. And here we have our CR-V SE. This car is finished in an orchid white. This car is also a 2-litre petrol hybrid. With this being the SE, this car does come with 18-inch diamond cut alloys. I will go around each alloy in particular so that you can get an idea of what condition they are in. As you can see, this one's in perfect condition. As you can see, the hybrid symbol on the side. We've got body coloured door mirrors and bumpers. We've also got this alloy here, again in perfect condition. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, this car does come with a reversing camera just there, as you can see. And in the boot, there is plenty of room in here. Of course, you lift up the boot floor here, and you do have your tyre deflation kit and your jack to get the wheel off in case you have a puncture. We've got a 12-volt power outlet just there, and of course we have your subwoofer there for the stereo. This lever here folds down the seats to save yourself from walking around the car. And we also have just here your privacy shelf there to allow for more privacy in the boot of the vehicle. The seats do also fold 60/40 flat, and with this rear wheel here, you can see again in perfect condition. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, you can see that these seats do have 2 positionings, upright and leant back. We also have ISOFIX fittings there and full black levers with 2 USB charge ports just down there. We also have your window switch there. They are automatic. This car does also have keyless entry just there, meaning that you can walk up to the car with your key in your pocket and still be able to get in. We've got your 4 window switches there, all of which are automatic. Your window lock button is there and your central lock in there. We have your electric adjustment just here, and of course your power fold there. Here we have your traction control, parking sensors, collision assist and your lane assist. Moving inside the vehicle, we have the 2 cup holders here, a little storage compartment there with a 12-volt power outlet, electric handbrake and brake hold, your sport, econ and electric vehicle mode, and your automatic gearbox. We have 2 front heated seats here with your dual climate control, which can be operated through your touchscreen display. On this touchscreen display, we have got satellite navigation. We've got all your different sources for your media and Bluetooth hands-free. Moving over to the multifunction steering wheel. This side controls your speed limiter and cruise control and your distance from the car in front. These control your Bluetooth hands-free, and this controls a mixture of your onboard computer and your touchscreen display. We also have the volume button for your stereo there, and this button here controls what information you can see on your onboard computer. As you can see, this car has done 5,814 miles. Just here we have your automatic headlights and your flappy paddle for your regenerative braking. And on the other side, we have the other regenerative braking flappy paddle and automatic wipers. Moving back outside the vehicle, I'll show you this last alloy. As you can see, it is immaculate, in perfect condition. If you would like a more personalised video of this car, one of our sales staff will provide you with one upon inquiry. If you have any other questions or queries, don't hesitate to get in touch and we'll provide you with more information. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon.